Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can highlight row automatically as you see here. It looks very nice and it looks professional. If you want to learn, watch to the end, but before we start don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. First, select all of your data, just Ctrl A. Now I selected all of my data as you see here. Then from home I have stylus. Then click conditional formatting. Come to new rule. Here, select it, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Click this one. Insert the formula. It's easy. Just write down equal sign, row, open bracket, close bracket, equal sign, this time cell, open bracket, double quotation, write row, double quotation, close it bracket. Here select the fill color. Fill, select the color you want. For example, I selected this color. Okay. For border, you can select a border. I selected this border. You can select the line, border line. It's up to you. For font, for example, I selected bold italic. Okay. You can change color, its color also. For example, I change it to, let be black. I don't change the color, okay? Now just okay. Okay. You see, it highlights only one row. If I check, you see it doesn't change dynamically. To fix this problem, it's easy. Just from sheet, select the sheet and right click. Here we have view code. From here, search for worksheet. Okay. Select sheet 1 and from here you have to select worksheet, not general, worksheet. Now just insert the code. Target dot calculate. Target dot calculate. Just close this one and close this. This time, you see, dynamically it highlights the row you select. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice time.